Throughout the past year, Factory Eye, a leading developer of Industry 4.0 solutions, has hosted half-day meetings around the US, which are designed to bring leading industry experts and manufacturing executives into the same room. The goal is to enjoy a great lunch together while having stimulating discussions about practical steps for improving productivity throughout your factory using real-time actionable data. Factory Eye, along with its industry partner Fion Zylstra, are hosting the second seminar in Charlotte, North Carolina on Thursday, October 6th, to share their knowledge about implementing smart manufacturing practices in mid-size manufacturing plants. This year's event, The Path to a Smarter Factory, Industry 4.0, will kick off at 12 noon with a hearty, delicious lunch, followed by talks from industry experts, interactive panel discussions, breakout sessions on various topics, and ending with a refreshing happy hour. To get the flavor of the event, we are sharing a few highlights from our recent event in Cleveland about the importance of implementing Industry 4.0 into your manufacturing process.
But when you start to see numbers like this, what we're really starting to see is people saying that this is not just another initiative in the manufacturing industry. This is not just another trend that's going to kind of come and go. This is the new way of doing things.
It's going to make manufacturers a lot more profitable and be able to make actionable decisions on their machines.
They also commented on the biggest challenges facing mid-sized manufacturers.
Without a doubt, the most important problem right now is around workforce. Most of them are doing well in terms of their sales, so there's demand for their product, and the problem is the employees aren't there now. They're having a really hard time attracting talent.
And experts from Factory Eye helped manufacturers consider their next steps.
Yes, software is important. Yes, data is important. But we also have to create a manufacturing culture that knows what to do with that data. How do you take that data and make actual business improvements so that it becomes technology isn't a nice to have, it's a must have because it delivers value to the bottom line.
To learn more about how to implement smart manufacturing practices and make lasting connections, join us for lunch and networking at the Barrel Room at Triple C Brewing Company on Thursday, October 6th from 12 to 5 p.m. Then stay for networking, drinks, and hors d'oeuvres at the hosted happy hour at 5 p.m. For more information or to register for this limited seating event, please contact Kia Compton from Factory Eye at kcompton@magicsoftware.com.